So I've got the power cord down here. Got the shore power cable installed, a new one, new to me. It's about 70 to 75 feet long. So we got plenty of extension cord here. So right now it's not plugged in yet, but I tested it and there it is there. But I plugged it in. I tried everything. Everything works. Fan and the light. The refrigerator works great. Nice and cold. So clean that out. All the lights work on the tank switches. There's power to these wires, to the lights. So we're getting there bit by bit. Another thing I had done since the last video was cleaning the floor, got all the staples up. I still got to do some priming in there. I use that Kills Max on this. It's supposed to lock in odors and cover stains, etc. I'm not worried about stains on the floor because the floor will be covered, but any odors that were left, which wasn't much, couldn't really tell, but because I cleaned it really good. I wiped it down with bleach water and whatnot. Not really strong solution, but enough to clean the surface of the wood, and it dried quickly, so it wasn't gonna spoil the wood any. Just to remove any odors and whatnot. So the inside of these boxes will be, I will use that Kills on there as well. Any remaining odors that might be around. It's smelling very good in here now. So I'll get some of the wood paneling down there with the Kills. And of course the cabinet doors I'll be removing. I have removed much of this off the doors already with the glue gun, or one of those hot guns. So then I'll use the primer, the Kills on those doors, and it's coming together little by little. So that's that update on the electrical and the floor here. And I got the UPS came by yesterday and delivered my holley carb. I think I mentioned that the carb was missing when I got this, so I've got it replaced now. So I've been working on that today. We're gonna try and do a cold start, see if this thing will start up and run. And outside the door here, I just removed what was left of the old muffler here. That's how it looked like when I bought the RV. Somebody was trying to take it off, and it was still hanging on there. I guess they couldn't knock it off. Anyways, I took a few hits of the sledgehammer, and it came right off. So here's going to be my new Flowmaster. It's called a Quiet Flow SS. I will be putting that in. I think it's in the, I think it's in the 50 series. They have different series in Flowmaster, 40. So I debated on what kind of sound I wanted the RV to make, and I just decided on a quiet sound. So that's what I'm going with. I think I might have to do some cutting of the pipe to get this longer muffler in that was in, probably a good 10 inches or more longer than the old one. Let's compare it and see. So I'm going to little comparison here. Yeah, I'd say it's something around 10 inches or so. So that would go in there. Okay. I still got a call about the couch. It's at the upholstery shop. Got to see how that's coming along, or if they've even started it. So that'll be nice when that's done. Let's go around the front here. Take a look at this. Oh yeah, it had our electric fuel pump on it. And all the hoses are rotten. They just break so easy. You can see where it's cracked. So that's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this ready so I can do a cold start. It hasn't been started for I don't know how long, but I'll get a temporary gas tank hooked up. And then hook up the lines, bolt down the carburetor, get a battery, and give it a shot and see how it works. Okay, so we will come back for a later update.